Hi, boys and girls. How are you? I think you can see I am ready for next Thursday. I even wore something special. See if you can figure out why I'm so excited. Next Thursday is opening day. Finally, I'm so excited. I've missed my Giants, as I'm sure you know. So next Thursday night at 7 o'clock, I'm going to be in front of my TV watching the Giants play the Dodgers. Ooh, a great game. I'm really looking forward to it. So I have actually two fun books to read to you. One's kind of short, which is why I thought I would do two. And the first one is a fun one called What is Inside This Box? Now, this is written by an author named Drew Daywalt, and you might recognize his name. If you don't, I'll tell you how you know it. He's written 3 books that I have read to you and you are very familiar with. The first one was called The Day the Crayons Quit. The second one was called The Day the Crayons Came Home. And the third one, which just won this year's California Young Reader Award, is called The Legend of Rock, Paper, Scissors. So you will recognize his name from those books. So here's a new one that I found from him that I like. It's called What's Inside This Box? Hello, monkey. Hello, cake. Oh, what do you have? I have a box. It's a big box. It is a big box. What's in it? A kitty cat. A kitty cat is inside the box? Oh, I love kitty cats. Can I see it? No, you cannot. It's a magic cat. Why can't I see the magic cat? Because the cat disappears when I open the box. So when you open the box, there's no cat inside? Yes. And when you close the box, there is a cat inside? Yes. When I open the box, there is no cat. But when I close the box again, the cat is back in the box. Well, how do you know that there is a cat in the box when it's closed? How do you know there is not a cat in the box when it's closed? Well, I don't think there's a cat inside when the box is closed. Why not? I think that there is no cat in the box when it's open, and when you close the box, there is still no cat inside of it. Well, you can think anything you want about what's inside the box when it's closed. I can? Yes, you can. Then I think that there's a dinosaur in the box when it's closed. You do? Can I see it? No. It's a magical dinosaur, and when you open the box, it disappears. I still think that it's a cat. And I think it's a dinosaur. Well, we will never know. You're right. We'll never know. Let's go get some pie. Okay, I love pie. The end. Hope you like that one. It's pretty cute. And he did trick you, huh? The other one I picked, I know several of you are either expecting a new member of the family pretty soon, meaning you're going to have a new little brother or sister, or maybe one has already joined your family since the last time I saw you. I thought this one was kind of fun. It's called I Want a New Room. This is by Karen Orloff. And this, boys and girls, is written in letter form. Dear Mom, I know you think I should share a room with Ethan now that we have baby Annie, but here's why I shouldn't. When Ethan sleeps, he sounds like a cat coughed up fur balls. Why can't you move Annie in with you and give me my room back? Signed, your very tired son, Alex. Dear Alex, go bother your father. Signed, your very, very tired mother. Dear Dad, you have no idea what it's like to share a room with Ethan. He sticks crayons up his nose and he barks like a walrus and he snores like Grandpa Ralph. So how about giving me my old room back? Please don't say go bother your mother. Been there, done that. Love, fed up Alex. Dear Alex, sorry we had to move you out of your room, but Annie's a girl, and Mom says girls need privacy to do girl stuff. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm guessing that it has to do with hair and makeup. Love, Dad. I love the illustrations. Dear Dad, Annie's a baby. She doesn't have any hair. And if she wore makeup, she would drool on it. By the way, did I mention that Ethan broke my skateboard and lost my brand new Captain Creepy action fixture? The kid is out of control. Love, your seriously upset child, Alex. Dear Alex, you know 4-year-olds are a little careless. You were just like him at that age. Remember when you fell into the cake at Grandma's 60th birthday party? Good thing the candles weren't lit. Why don't you have a heart-to-heart talk with Ethan about respecting your property? Love, Dad. Dear Dad, thanks for the advice. Now I know exactly how to handle this. Love, your diplomatic son, Alex. P.S. Diplomatic was one of my vocabulary words. Dear Ethan, this is your side of the room. This is my side of the room. Stay on your side. Alex. P.S. Don't touch my stuff or else. Dear Alex, do you realize you gave Ethan the side of the room that doesn't have a door? I just found him jumping up and down on his bed, yelling that he can't come out to take his bath because Alex said so. Fix this problem when you get home from soccer practice, or else. Love, Dad. Dear Dad, okay, I told Trampoline Boy he can use the door now. Honestly, Dad, see what I'm dealing with here? Please give me my room back. I promise I'll keep it really, really, really clean. Love, neat and tidy, Alex. Dear Alex, does that include cleaning the iguana's cage? I've noticed an unusual smell coming from that general direction. Just thought I'd mention it. Love, your concerned father. Dear Dad, let's not change the subject. Here's the thing. I'm practically grown up. I want a new room. Plus, I think I should get rewarded for all the A's I got in school. Love, Alex, the super student. Dear Alex, nice try, but if I remember correctly, you got 3 B's and 1 A, and I think the A was in lunch. Love, Dad. Dear Dad, even Stinky's dog's lunch has his own room. That dog is treated like a king. He's got 6 pillows and his own TV. He and Stinky watch cartoons and eat cheesy popcorn every single night. I'm not even asking for a TV, just one little room. Love, your human son, Alex. P.S. Stinky got a D in lunch. Dear Alex, no can do. Love, Dad. P.S. Stinky scares me. Dear Dad, it's more than the room. It's the principle of the thing. Why do I, the oldest and most important kid, have to suffer just because you and Mom had another baby? Does that seem fair? I don't think so. Love, your number 1 son, Alex. Dear Alex, yes, you are very important to us, but so are your brother and sister. However, you make some good points. A boy your age needs his own space. Maybe we could build you a special place of your own. Love, Dad. Dear Dad, now you're talking. We could add a whole new wing onto the house. I can have my own bathroom with a hot tub, skateboard ramp, and a bowling alley. What do you say, Dad? Here's a floor plan. Love, Alex, the architect. So, an extra bedroom with a bowling alley, too. There's his plans. Dear Alex, slow down there, buddy. We're not gazillionaires. We can't build you a condo. I was thinking of something like a treehouse. We can build it together, and you won't have to share it with your brother unless you absolutely want to. Love, Dad. You mean it, Dad? I do, Alex. There they go. That looks like a good tree. Look at that cool tree house. All to himself. guess he put a ping pong table in there. But he does have the place all to himself. There he is in his treehouse, all to himself. Dear Ethan, do you want to play with me in my treehouse? Love, your big brother, Alex. Yes. Thanks, Alex. So just remember, when your little brother or sister starts to pester you, at some point in time, he or she will be your best friend. Remember, family is always first. So don't forget, next Thursday, my World Series rings. Giants versus the Dodgers. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Hope you're having a great summer. I miss you. Talk to you soon. Bye.